Frustrated with XML conversion tools that mess up your data with missing elements, lost attributes, or bloated tables full of nulls? You are in the right place. I'm Isabel, and in this video, I'll show you how to easily convert XML to database tables in SQL using Flexter Online, a free and powerful XML conversion tool. Here's what we will cover. First, I will walk you through how to convert XML to database using Flexter Online. I'll then show you how to use the output and documentation to make the most of your data. Many tools make XML conversion a headache, but Flexter Online simplifies the process with automated target database schema generation, intelligent XML to SQL tables mapping, and AI-optimized data structuring, so that you don't end up with a messy database table full of redundant values. Now, let's jump in and see how it works. First, go to sonra.io XML to SQL database converter, and scroll down to find the purple widget. This is where you start. The workflow has 4 steps, and Flexter Online shows your progress at the top. Let's start with step 1, uploading your XML file. You can either click Upload a file or simply drag and drop your XML from your desktop. I'll go with drag and drop. Once uploaded, the file name appears right here. Made a mistake? No worries. Just remove it by clicking this button and upload again. Upload an XSD file. Optional, but useful. It defines XML structure for better accuracy. No XSD? No problem. Flexter handles it automatically. More details? Check our blog. Next, enter your email. This is where we'll send the necessary information on how to access your converted SQL tables. Company name and phone? Optional, but if you feel like sharing, go ahead. Hit convert and check your inbox in seconds. Not there? Check your spam folder and you're ready to go. Flexter's email includes 3 main pieces of information: the URL to your new Snowflake database with converted SQL tables, Snowflake login credentials, and schema info, a download link for your documentation. With Flexter, exploring your new SQL tables is easy. Click the URL in Flexter's email. On the Snowflake login page, use the username and password from that same email. Once logged in, preview your converted tables in Snowflake's dashboard. To start querying your new database, check out our online XML to SQL converter guide. Still not sure how to navigate your new database? Flexter provides STM maps and ER diagrams to visualize everything. Just click the download link in the email to get the full documentation folder. If your conversion fails, we'll reach out in 1 to 2 days, or you can contact us via our contact form, email, or chat. Just fill in your name, email, and message, then hit send. Need faster processing, larger data volumes, and support for multiple data sourcing locations? Flexter Enterprise removes all limits. With Flexter Enterprise, scaling is easy, and your team can finally focus on high-impact tasks instead of drowning in data conversions. So why wait? Book a demo now and see Flexter Enterprise in action.